Hi, welcome to Claire's Vlog and happy Thursday. Come and get ready. So I'm going to work home start today. Guys, I'm making my big walk. It's the 30-hour day today. Lashing. Yep, it's rainy day. So yeah, walk from Archville to my big walk. So yeah, turning my exercise done. Good on you. Hi. So today, this morning, I've got up in the bathroom and then came back, get ready, got my work uniform on, and then brushed my teeth, brushed my hair, put smelly on, spray, and then went downstairs, took my medication, had a banana, and then it was lashing windy, so I went walk to work, and after walk to work, I came back, done my big walk, and then after my big walk, I had my lunch, smelly faces, and beans make you fart, and then had a cup of tea, and then put my jammies on because it's rain. And then after that, I was carried those because it was really, really hard and done out. And yeah, and then came back, had a Chinese, and then took my medication. Helped me go to the toilet. So yeah, yeah, just all let you all know. I hope you have a good Thursday and stay positive. And yeah, so Patty, I had a great day today. Remember to subscribe me on my YouTube channel. Remember to follow me Instagram and TikTok, and I love you a lot. And I want to say, hope you have a wonderful Thursday. So, yeah, have a good day.